Let's make this creamy, flavorful and delicious Tigernut drink together. It's packed with fiber, vitamins and other health benefits I'll be discussing with you all. So let's get started. For a rich Tigernut drink, this is basically all the ingredients you need. If you want to make use of dried Tigernuts, be sure to soak it overnight just so it could soften up and make the blending process much more easier. I'm using 1.5 cup of Tigernuts. I'll be adding enough water to it in order to give it a quick rinse. Next is 1.5 cup of fresh coconut that I've cut into smaller chunks just for easy blending. I also have dates for that natural sweetness and I soaked them overnight just so it could soften up and make the seed removal process much more easier. So just go ahead and toss everything into the blender. So we have the rinsed Tigernuts, coconut chunks and deseeded dates. Traditionally, this is the only ingredient you need. You can also choose to add ginger as well, but I'll be adding some banana for more nutrients and creaminess. I'll also be adding enough cold water to it, but not too much, then cover and allow to blend properly. So while that's blend, let's talk about some of the health benefits of consuming Tigernut drink. It's rich in fiber, which aid in digestion and prevent constipation. It's good for the heart as it contains healthy fats that support cardiovascular health. It's lactose-free, meaning it's a great alternative for people with lactose intolerance. Traditionally, it's believed to enhance libido and fertility in both male and female. It also helps to support weight management since it helps one to feel fuller for longer. There are other health benefits of consuming Tigernut drink, but this is just to mention a few. So after blending, I'll be straining mine through this fine sieve. You can also choose to use a cheesecloth as well. Since I'm not using a cheesecloth, I had to put on a glove so I could squeeze out more juice from the chaff. If you feel the chaff is not well blended, you can toss it back into the blender, then add little water to it and blend again. So I'm actually done straining and a healthy Tigernut drink is pretty much ready. Since there is banana in mine, I'll try as much as possible to consume it within 24 hours. But if you want yours to last longer for about 2 to 3 days, you can simply skip the process of adding banana to yours, then add banana to yours whenever you want to consume it. And please ensure you store it in the fridge immediately after production, just so it doesn't start to ferment and get sour at the end. Thank you very much for watching. Please kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like, share, and leave me a comment in the comment section. Until I come your way next time, do remember to always eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.